Let's start this morning with Rotun Lahiri giving us a perspective of how she sees things between last budget and now. What's changed and what's not? Rotun.
Thank you, Arnab, and thank you for the very kind introduction. So in terms of the last budget, I speak from a startup perspective primarily, but, we'll also delve a little bit into the macro policy and macroeconomics. In terms of startups last time, I think the government did a lot, and I said this on your channel last time, reducing the long-term capital gains tax to 12.5%, doing away with angel tax, and a couple of other measures have really helped the startup industry. But as I see, this year, looking forward, I think the first thing that strikes one, is there has certainly been a little bit of, there's been slow growth. Growth has slowed. And, while the optimism is still there, India is always optimistic, there is that slight trepidation, at the moment. And I think we need to put more money in the pockets. And I think I'm preaching to the converted. We need to put more money in the pockets of the middle class. I think that is the section that is hurting the most. In terms of, if I go into the startup sector, I think the first thing that we need to do is, when Prime Minister Modi gave a clarion call, for Make in India, we in the last couple of years we have seen a huge, I think activity in deep tech. We as a fund have invested in some fantastic, extraordinary deep tech, companies in space tech, in autonomous transformation, in, underwater drones, etc. But I think that brings with itself, equal challenges. And I think the government needs to look at, things like R&D tax, and, long term. At the moment, I think 10 years is when you can carry losses forward. I think that needs to increase, and a couple of other things. And overall, I will end this, this particular section of mine saying that, I've been traveling a lot in India over the last 6 weeks, and India is many Indias, and all of India needs to develop. And therefore, I think in the East, we need to have particular policies targeted, towards the East. There are some states that are doing very well. I've just come back from Utkarsh, Orissa, the 2-day conclave that they had in Orissa. To showcase Orissa. I think that's a very, very good step. I think a lot more needs to be done, so that every part of India, I think develops that power.
Yeah.